What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? This is Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Hope you're staying safe. I hope you're blessed. I hope your family is well. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here. How you doing today? What's up, you guys? I love you. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Yes, I'm turning the camera because I have to do this video very quickly, you guys. I literally just walked in the door from work, from the hospital, walked around to do my walkthrough as I do every day, and noticed some things going on. Okay. Welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. If you're new to my channel, don't forget, click the thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers. Okay. I love you. You're the best. Also, click like and subscribe, you guys. Subscribe to the channel. Share it with your family and your friends. You know, share it on your social media. Leave a comment. Click the bell and you'll get a notification every time I make a video, which is like every 30 seconds. Okay. I love you guys. You're the best. So, I came home from work today. This is not going to be a long video. I hadn't even planned on making this video about this particular subject, and I came home, I did a walkthrough, and as usual, there's always a surprise in the garden, you guys. Yes. So I'm about to tell you what's going on. I came home, I walked around, and you know I drop seeds everywhere sometimes, and this is the front, you guys, my little front area where I have my elephant ears that I planted from bulb. Look how huge they've gotten, you guys. Can you see that? They are humongous. Those are my elephant ears, you guys. So over here, apparently, some cucumbers fell. Okay. And we're not going to mess with them. We're going to let them vine right on up that bush and let them do their thing. These flowers just came out of nowhere overnight. And then when I come home today, look right there. Do I have the camera on it? Can you see that? Right there, you guys. Cucumber. And now a lot of people always ask, how do you know the difference between a male flower and a female flower on cucumbers and like squash and stuff? You guys, the female is always the fruit. See? It looks like a cucumber. It looks like a teeny baby pickled cucumber. Yeah, and that's her flower. And her flower was wide open when I came home today, just ready to be pollinated, you guys. She may already be pollinated, but just to be on the safe side, we're going to do some hand pollination as well. Now, I know some people will be like, well, you shouldn't do that. Mother Nature does that. You guys, that's just like telling somebody, you know, drive all the way to Philly to get a Philly cheesesteak when you can make it at home. Or, you know, don't plant seeds. You know, don't plant squash. You know, Mother Nature should give you squash in your yard. It doesn't happen that way. You have to go to the store, you have to buy some seeds or get them mailed to you, and then you plant it and then you get your food. It's just helping out Mother Nature, you guys. We ordered the plants, we started them from seed, so we want to help take care of them. So what I'm going to do, I showed you the female flower, and then look, also over here, there's another one. Another cucumber. And you guys, I was just out here. These were not here like yesterday. I mean, literally. And her flower is fully open, ready to be pollinated. Can you see down in there? I'm doing this with one hand, you guys. You know I work alone and everything is unedited. So, what I'm going to do is gently take one of our male flowers. And the difference in the male flower, see at the end? There's no cucumber. Whereas the female has her cucumber on the end. See? That's the difference. That's the difference. So all I'm going to do is gently peel away these flowers just to get to the middle, to where the pollen is, you guys. And you have to be very careful because it's very small. Very, very tiny. So just be careful. Take your time. Love on your garden. Treat it with respect. Can you see that tiny little dot there? That's where the pollen is, you guys. That's where the pollen is. And you just gently want to take that and not drop it. And gently dab it into the inside of the little female part right there. You just want to take it in there and dab it around. I wish I could have this camera held for me, you guys, but I can't. Let me try to turn it this way. And let's get this leaf out of the way. But yeah, you guys, that's my female flower. I hope you can see her. And sometimes you can just take the male and just push it straight down in there. You just want to transfer the pollen from the male to the female as much as possible. And like I said, this may already be pollinated because we do have some bees here. But I just wanted to show you guys for those who may be lacking bees. Okay? And then I'm going to take another male flower and we're going to go back to our cucumber in the front. Now those cucumbers were on the side of my house, you guys. Yeah, you can grow them anywhere. So I'm going to come back and use this one and just give her another dab. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm going to peel this flower a little bit. And some people say they eat the flower. I don't know about that. Okay, I ain't no flower. But you can dab these on there. Shout out to people who do eat them. I ain't mad at you. So just gonna dab it, dab it, tap it, pollinate it. And there you have it. And that's all you do to pollinate your cucumbers. Now with your tomatoes, you shake those and let them pollinate themselves because the male and female are all in one flower and the fruit. Okay, you guys? So I just wanted to show you that little tip. And I wanted to do it very quickly because like I said, I just got home and that flower will close up on you like super duper uber fast. And just to give you an idea of self-pollinating, see how this tomato here is open and can you see me? Right here. Just give it a tap. Oh, and look what I just found in here trying to attack. Do you see that big hornworm? Oh my goodness. They found us. They found us and they've been eating and they blend in. You see them? You see this big booger? Do you see it? This thing will eat your crops out of a house and a home. You see that big thing? He see us blending right on in with our flowers. Let me get something to pick him up. Because I ain't touching that thing one hand. I ain't touching that thing. Just get an old towel. And it's super duper hot out here, you guys. So I'm so glad I decided to walk over here and catch this huge. There's no telling how long he's been here. And how much he's eaten. Look, y'all. This is gardening at your finest. This is gardening 101 real talk. You see this? Look how big this thing is. Look. Almost big as my finger. Can y'all see that? Wow. And he would eat everything if you let it. So now I gotta come in here and do an inspection because this baby is fat. Oh, and it got to some other stuff. Look how, yes, it can eat up everything overnight. So we're coming out here after this video, you guys, and we're gonna take care of this problem. Yep, that's why he's so big and fat, because he's eating so well. But sorry, I have somebody that loves you more than you love the tomatoes. You see those chickens? You see those chickens, you guys? And I want to make sure when I toss it, it goes over there. I don't want it to fall over here. You see it? I just threw it in there to the chickens. Look. They love them. And my neighbors gave me permission to do so, you guys. So we're helping Mother Nature. And they're chasing each other for it. Wow. So glad I decided to go over there and check on the tomatoes. Oh my goodness, you guys. And look what it's done so far since I left. And this is just one of the stems. Oh my goodness. He had a field day over here. Oh my goodness. Look, you guys. Oh my goodness. He just ate up oh. No! Oh my goodness. So we're gonna go find the rest of the family. So I have to get off this thing and take care of my garden, you guys. I love you. You are the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, go stuff and eat it, okay? Okay? We ain't gonna have that. We ain't got no money to be throwing away. We ain't got no money.